टाइटल देख के क्लिक कर दिया, वरना मेरी YouTube वीडियोस तो देखते ही नहीं हो। बेशर्मी है भाई, बेशर्मी। अब जब तक इंट्रो चलता है सब्सक्राइब ही कर दो। सो फाइनली इतने महीनों बाद अगेन आई एम डूइंग ए सेलिब्रिटी डाइट रिव्यू। प्रियंका चोपड़ा का हो गया, कोमल पांडे का हो गया, मलाइका अरोरा का हो गया, बट अब बारी है राज कुंद्रा की वाइफ शिल्पा शेट्टी का डाइट रिव्यू करने की। फॉर्मेट सेम होगा, वीडियो साथ में चल रहा होगा, मैं भी देख रहा हूँ, आप लोग भी देख रहे होगे, साथ साथ में रिव्यू करूंगा। वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग शिल्पा की डाइट में क्या अच्छा है, क्या ज्यादा अच्छा हो सकता था। एंड तक वीडियो देखना, आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलने वाला है, बहुत सारी एंटरटेनमेंट होने वाली है। एंड अगर आपने पुराने वीडियोस नहीं देखे सेलिब्रिटी डाइट रिव्यूज के, तो इस वीडियो के बाद जाके देखना, आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi guys, I'm Shilpa Shetty Kunja and you're watching me on Pink Villa, showing my solidarity. So today I'm going to tell you exactly what my diet comprises of and what I eat. So hope you guys get some motivation out of it and chew your food. So the first thing I do as soon as I wake up is I kind of cleanse my system with warm water. It's not hot, just plain warm water. And before I have the warm water, I have 4 drops of noni juice, the concentrated noni juice, and it really gives me a lot of strength in the morning to cope with all the crazy stuff that I do the rest of the day. And the other very important thing that I do as a ritual every morning is oil pulling. So I take at least 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, and I basically roll it around my mouth in between my teeth. It looks really funny. So I do this for like a good 7 to 10 minutes. They say you should do it for 20 minutes, but you know, with our fast-paced lives, if I get in like 10 minutes, I'm like, yeah.
So जब शिल्पा उठती हैं, she does 2 things. Number 1, she has hot water with noni, and second, she does oil pulling. So having a cup of water first thing in the morning is a really good idea. Yes, मन कर सकता है कि कॉफी या चाय पी लो, but इतनी देर आप सोए हो without any water, having water first thing in the morning is a good way to start your day. It's gonna hydrate you and start your system, as some people like to say. उसके बाद you can go for other beverages. अब नोनी होता है एक फ्रूट, उस फ्रूट से बनते हैं juices. Noni is rich in vitamin C and a few antioxidants. Having it first thing in the morning is a good idea. उसके बाद शिल्पा goes for 10 minutes of oil pulling, जिससे आप अपने मुंह में कोई ऑयल रखते हो and you start swishing it around अपने मुंह में। अब लोग बोलते हैं इससे आपके टॉक्सिन्स बाहर आ जाते हैं, आपकी बॉडी के लिए एंटीऑक्सीडेंट कितना काम करता है, but there is no research to prove that. It is more of a dental hygiene thing. आपको डेंटिस्ट सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आपके दांत अच्छे रहेंगे उससे। Yes, आपके दांत साफ होते हैं, but there are no added benefits like the experts claim.
So everybody knows that I swear by yoga, and yes, I have started doing a lot of different workouts that have been inspired by yoga as well. So I'm a fitness freak. You can actually call me a freak now. Yeah, self-confess fitness freak. But I don't do it to lose weight, or I don't do it to prove a point to myself. Most people think that you have to contort your body into different pretzelic forms to do yoga, but I don't. There are a lot of asanas that I'm still surprised with, and I'm kind of rediscovering my inner strength and my flexibility with doing it over a period of time. So no, you don't have to be an expert contortionist to do yoga. So I do a lot of workout regimes that help me with that. So it's a mixture of high intensity, interval training. There is core strengthening. I love doing planks. Different forms of that. I enjoy burpees. I know it's crazy. Who can enjoy burpees? I enjoy these animal walks. So it's not one kind of training. So it's an amalgam of a lot of stuff. Yeah.
बर्पीज किसको पसंद होते हैं यार? कमेंट करके बताओ अगर आपको बर्पीज पसंद है। ज्यादा जज नहीं करूंगा, थोड़ा सा ही जज करूंगा आपको मैं। ये देख के अच्छा लगा कि शिल्पा लाइक्स टू इंक्लूड अ लॉट ऑफ फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग, कार्डियो एंड योगा। एक चीज जो मैं आपको भी सजेस्ट करूंगा देखने का इज कॉल्ड एनिमल फ्लो ट्रेनिंग। इस पे YouTube पे बहुत वीडियोस हैं, सो जाके देखिए एंड ट्राई देम आउट।
So my day is pretty simple, and I eat like people used to eat 70 years ago. which means my morning start at 7 in the morning. I try to get my breakfast in between 7:30 and 8. And it's a very high fiber breakfast, so it'll be either oats or muesli coupled with fruits. I start off with a raw food, so it's either a banana or grated apple, blueberries in my muesli, and I try to keep it low sugar. So I prefer to use natural forms of sweeteners like honey or powdered jaggery that is very readily available in the market. Now the newest form of sugar is coconut sugar. Even that's great for your oats. So that's my breakfast. That's if it's a vegetarian day. If my mornings start earlier than that, then I start off with this simple smoothie, which is a mixture of almond milk and banana and raw oats and honey. And I can add whatever fruit I want into it. So that's on the go. And then I have 2 eggs. So if I start very early in the morning, they're basically 2 breakfasts. So then I have 2 eggs around 10:30 with either avocado, raw avocado, and maybe a whole wheat toast with butter. And then I have my tea, again with coconut sugar. So I try and avoid all kinds of sweeteners.
So Shilpa likes to have a high fiber breakfast. बहुत सारे carbs होते हैं, बहुत सारे fruits होते हैं. She likes to eat like people did 70 years ago. Obviously वैसे नहीं खा सकते आप आजकल, but that's a way of saying that she eats clean. उसके अंदर वो ऐड करती हैं raw fruits and a sweetener which is not sugar. एक misconception है कि अगर आप white sugar छोड़ के आप jaggery या honey ले रहे हैं तो आपकी कम calories हो जाएंगी, आप ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हैं. But even though these natural compounds may have a few nutrients, sugar se zyada, that does not make them superior. Sugar, honey and jaggery calories are very similar. अगर आपको चीनी पसंद है वो भी ले सकते हो. If you want to go for stevia, if you want to go for aspartame sweeteners, you can go for them also. Have what lets you stay in your caloric limits. अगर ये breakfast नहीं होता, Shilpa goes for a smoothie, which is also a good way to start your morning. With 2 eggs. I like how there's protein. अभी तक अच्छा लग रहा है protein देख के, nutrient dense foods देख के.
My afternoon meal is my heaviest meal actually, and it comprises of either brown rice, white rice, whatever's available. There's a chicken or a fish, some kind of protein, and I like my vegetables. So there's vegetables, and my salad is very, very simple. It's just cucumber and 1 carrot with a bit of sea salt on it. So it's nothing fancy. Then there's sometimes I maybe alternate my heavy lunch with like a yogi bowl, and that's what I call it. So in that one bowl I basically put in everything. I'll put in salad leaves, I'll put in barley or rice, brown rice, and I'll add some chicken bits, grilled chicken, I'll add beetroot. So it's like a salad come food come everything all in one. So the very important thing that I forgot to mention, that I try to get in a spoon of ghee into my lunch anyhow. When I say a spoon, it's like a tablespoon. So yeah, I have a tablespoon of ghee every day with my lunch. So whether it be in my roti, I also like my parathas sometimes. So if it's paratha and sabzi and dal and chicken, I even have that. So I like that.
So for lunch, Shilpa likes to go for a lean source of protein with veggies and rice, either brown or white. I'm so glad उन्होंने brown rice suggest करने शुरू नहीं कर दिया like everyone else. उसके साथ वो try करती है 1 spoon देसी घी लें every day with lunch. उससे she gets good fats and also a lot of nutrients. अभी तो लोग ऐसे डरते हैं देसी घी का नाम सुन के, but I also suggest देसी घी to my clients. The best part, Shilpa loves to have parathas and she's not afraid of talking about them. आजकल सब लोग ऐसे छुपाते हैं पराठों को, घी को, मक्खन को. If you are eating in a limit, if you're eating well throughout the day, adding these things to your diet is not a bad idea. They will help you stay consistent. उसके साथ like she said, your salad does not have to be fancy. अगर आप 2 vegetables choose करते हैं, have one of them with every meal, you're good to go.
Then comes my snack, which is like a mid-meal thing that I like. I don't like to keep too much gap between my food. Between my lunch and my tea. So my mid-meal would be just maybe 2 eggs or a sandwich with beetroot and cucumber and potato. I love boiled potatoes, just sliced, and a bit of chaat masala, and then make it into a sandwich and just bite into it. It's yum. And that just keeps you from getting peckish before dinner. Then I have my tea in the evening.
ये बिल्कुल सही बोला इन्होंने. Adding a snack between your lunch and dinner is a pretty good idea. आप अगर कुछ हाई सटाइटी फूड लेते हैं जिसका सटाइटी इंडेक्स ज़्यादा है, जिसको आप खाएं और ज़्यादा टाइम आप फुल रहें, इट इज़ अ गुड आइडिया टू अवॉइड स्नैकिंग जिससे आप एक्सेस कैलोरीज ले सकते हैं. एज अ स्नैक शिल्पा लाइक्स टू गो फॉर अ सैंडविच जिसके अंदर आप आलू या एग्स या क्यूकम्बर्स डाल लो. ऑल ऑफ दीज आर हाई सटाइटी. ट्राई एडिंग दीज टू योर डाइट. आपको भी डिफरेंस पता चलेगा कि आप कितने टाइम तक फुल रहते हैं, स्पेशली एग्स एंड पोटैटोज.
And around 7:30 with my son, 7:30 to 8, my son, my husband and I, we will sit together and we have our dinner. So that's my last meal, which is a very light, fairly lighter meal than the rest of the day. I like a soup. It can be veg or chicken, whatever. And I don't eat anything raw. I prefer not to eat anything raw. So most people have salads in the night, which is not a concept that I believe in. I have something grilled, or even if it's a sabzi, dal, whatever. I try to keep it low carb at night. I try. But then if I feel like having a mushroom hot pot rice, I'll have that. So there's no hard and fast rule. So that's my day basically. And if I feel like I'm craving for something sweet, I'll have a piece of chikki after lunch. So that's my biggest rule.
So Shilpa has a light dinner with low carbs. इस पे मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा because she mentioned that it's her choice. उनका opinion है to have low carbs at night. She's not suggesting it to people कि आप भी करो. This is what I love about her. बिना बात के फालतू एडवाइस नहीं दी जा रही आपको. उसके अलावा वो मेंशन करती हैं if she wants to have something sweet, वो लंच के बाद चिक्की ले लेती हैं, which is a mix of good and peanuts. What could go wrong? Everyone loves that.
See, that's a really interesting question. Now, because I belong to the beauty business or maybe the body business, we have to take care of how we look, and people can be very judgmental, and I totally get it. But I don't make too many changes because I've already made a big lifestyle change. I don't eat after 7:30 in the evening. I eat very healthy, clean food. So I have a clean diet. So I don't have to make too many changes if I am walking the red carpet or if I'm showing my stomach. Yes, obviously to look more chiseled, like to have like washboard abs and to look flat, you have to make sure that you eat a lot of high fiber, high protein, and making sure that maybe the previous day you don't have carbs. So it's very low carb the previous day if I'm showing my abs.
यहाँ शिल्पा ने पूरी बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड सबको एक्सपोज कर दिया, सच बता दिया बिल्कुल. बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड, all actors, actresses, celebrities, Instagram models, they are paid to look a certain way. They are paid to have a certain physique. They have to do anything and everything to look a certain way. फिर भी उनको जज किया जाता है. ये एक और रीजन है मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि डू नॉट एम फॉर अ सेलिब्रिटी बॉडी, यू विल बी लेट डाउन. ऐसे रिजल्ट्स इतने कम टाइम में एक्सपेक्ट मत किया करो. यू डू नॉट नो व्हाट गोज ऑन बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन.
My favorite cheat meal. Oh my god, I love desserts, and I love biryani. I love lamb biryani. I love rasgulla. And I love rabdi and hot jalebis. It's my absolute favorite. And I can give you a long list.
बेचारी के मुंह में पानी आ गया चीट मील के बारे में बात करते करते. आप भी कमेंट करके बताओ व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट चीट मील जो आप हर सैटरडे या संडे को खाते हो.
I've seen people try it. I think it works a lot for a lot of people. But it's a very hard diet to do. The keto diet, where you're eating high amounts of fat, high amount of actually adequate protein, high fat, and no carbs, and no sugar, no fruit. So I'm like, what a way to live. It's scary. So I mean, I would suggest something like that to maybe someone who's a bodybuilder, who is maybe let themselves go for some time and they need to shred. So it works really great for them. But there are some people who barely have like 3 kilos to lose and they're on keto diets. And it makes you very crotchety, it makes you very angry because your body and your mind is not getting what it wants. So I don't know. I find it very strange. So
मुझे प्यार हो गया यहाँ पे. This celebrity knows more than your fitness experts K11 on who can use keto as a tool and who should not. So as a whole, Shilpa looks like someone who has her diet and training on point. वो enough protein भी लेती हैं throughout the day जो मैंने देखा. And it does not look like she's starving herself like most of the Bollywood stars जिनके मैंने डाइट रिव्यू करी थी. मुझे काफी नॉलेज मिली इनका वीडियो देख के. होपफुली आपको भी मिली होगी. अगर मिली तो लाइक दबाओ. एंड अगर आपने अभी तक और सेलिब्रिटी डाइट रिव्यूज नहीं देखे, गो चेक देम आउट नाउ. यू विल लव देम. अगर आपको मजा आया, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू
like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you all.